Wooden bowls and vases can be an incredibly versatile and beautiful addition to home decor. Here are some more details on incorporating a wooden bowl and vase collection into your home. Wooden bowls. Large, shallow wooden bowls make great centerpieces or coffee table accents. Fill them with fruit, pine cones, decorative spheres, or greenery. Deeper, more substantial wooden bowls work well as serving pieces on the dining table or kitchen counter. Use them for salads, bread, or to corral utensils. Carving and grain patterns add visual interest, so look for bowls with unique wood textures. Mix different wood tones like light maple, dark walnut, and weathered oak to create contrast. Group a few wooden bowls of varying sizes together for an impactful display. Wooden vases. Cylindrical, straight-sided wooden vases are perfect for displaying fresh flowers or branches. Shorter, wider wooden vases work well for bud vases or small floral arrangements. More sculptural, asymmetrical wooden vase shapes add visual interest when placed alone or in pairs. Wood complements a natural greenery and flowers beautifully. The organic material pairs well with the blooms. Wooden vases with a smooth, oiled finish have a luxurious look. Unfinished, rustic vases have a more casual, farmhouse feel. Wooden vases make great mantel, side table, or windowsill decor when not holding flowers. Group wooden bowls and vases together on coffee tables, side tables, shelves, or mantels for a curated, layered look. Alternate different wood tones and finishes, pair a smooth, light maple bowl with a rustic, dark walnut vase for contrast. Mix in other natural elements like plants, flowers, pine cones, or driftwood for an earthy, organic aesthetic. Use wooden bowls and vases of varying heights to create visual interest and depth. Place a large, shallow wooden centerpiece bowl on the dining table and fill it with seasonal items. Versatile uses. Wooden bowls are perfect for displaying fresh fruit, nuts, or decorative balls year-round. In the kitchen, use wooden bowls and platters for serving salads, breads, and other dishes. Wooden vases work beautifully for holding fresh florals, dried flowers, branches, or eucalyptus. Fill a wooden bowl with scented pine cones or potpourri for a cozy, fragrant touch. Use a wooden catch-all tray by the front door to corral keys, mail, and other small items. Design styles. For a rustic, farmhouse look, choose weathered, distressed wooden pieces with visible wood grain. Dark walnut or oak wooden pieces add warmth and elegance to traditional, classic decor. As we've seen, a well-curated collection of wooden bowls and vases can truly elevate the style and warmth of any living space. The natural beauty and versatility of wood allows it to seamlessly blend into a variety of design aesthetics, whether you're going for a rustic farmhouse look, a sleek modern vibe, or an eclectic, bohemian feel. The key is to mix and match different wood tones, textures, and shapes to create visual interest and depth. Group your wooden vessels together on tables, shelves, and mantels, and don't be afraid to incorporate other natural elements like greenery, flowers, and organic accessories. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on art and creativity. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating.